I've been in the office products industry for many years. I'd recently sold another business that I'd started, so I was looking for a new challenge.
From the beginning, I'd never used a computer before until I started with Buro.
I've been at Buro since its inception. It's coming up to 30 years. So yeah, I was one of the first employees.
The business started to get bigger, and we started to employ more people, and we started to change premises and so on. So, but I was still motivated, and the most important thing, I guess, is I loved what I was doing.
We started with being a new kid on the block. We started in a pretty mature reseller, a supplier reseller market. And so we had to forge our way into a reseller market that had a number of prominent players in it. And therefore nobody really wanted another player. The persona brought to the market, along with a number of other Buro multifunctional chairs, but brought to the market a product that could be used in those spaces, in those individual spaces, that someone could set their chair up, how that was finely tuned for how they worked. We really were a bit of a disruptor in the market at the time, at the early days. We were a disruptor in the fact that David Boyd and I decided that we would import office chairs in a box.
We changed the industry standards. So in those days, delivery of a chair was about 3 weeks. We changed that model in Buro, where we took the 3 weeks standard down to 1 to 2 days. We're the first chair supplier to offer a 5-year warranty. Then other people followed us. Then we were the first people to offer a 10-year warranty. Then other people followed us.
Play at the edge is the value that I love the most, because I think that's the one that's got the potential to really set us apart, and that's where I like to spend more time with my team, is brainstorming and thinking about ways that we can do things differently and better and try and get better results for Buro.
Again, what I love about our business, we don't get everything right. We try a lot of stuff. We probably only get half of it right, but we learn from the mistakes we make, and we dust ourselves off, we get up and we go again. And without question, every single person in this business embraces that, and they embody that. And it doesn't matter where you are in our business, you can see examples of that day in, day out, and you can't ask for better than that. For me, it's about the people. And if I look at our business today, we're all empowered employees, who are really passionate about making a difference.
It's the team dynamic that I love the best, working with people who are both driven, determined, and they're very good at what they do, but they're also good people.
If you don't work as a team, then I don't really believe that a business happens.
It's a people thing for me, I suppose, more than anything else.
The success of the business is related totally to the competence of the people who are in it.
It's about the service we provide. It's about how we deliver our product, the customer experience, what's really important to them. And to me, that's what sets us apart as a business. Sure, our product has to be the best in the market, but to me, that's almost what I call a hygiene factor. You got to do that anyway. It's about the customer experience. It's about our team as well. It's about our responsibility that we have in that wider community. And I'm not just talking about that commercial community, but the wider community, which we're really engaged in. If you look at the work we do in terms of our social and corporate responsibility, our team are out there in the weekends planting trees.
The willingness to try different things, the belief that we can do whatever we choose to do. It's a discussion that Tim and I have every now and then, which is, hey, whatever we put our mind to do as an organisation, we can do well, even if it challenges us. And but importantly, I think the ability to focus on what it is we want to achieve, to care for our people, which is really, really important, and a focus with customers always at the front. I mean, we are a sales and marketing organisation. That's what we're about. And we forget about our customers at our peril. And I think these things remain core to us. I think they've been there for a long time, and I think they remain core going forward. everybody and anybody who's been involved with Buro should be extremely proud of their contribution to it. I mean, a company's a living thing, and it lives because of its people, and it does what it does because of decisions people make and the things people do within it. So anyone who's been involved and who still is, I think, should be very proud of being part of Buro and the contribution they've made in those 30 years.